We've got a great show lined up, but before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button.
Get ready to question everything you see. This is our countdown of nature's greatest deceptions, starting with number 5.
The jungle is full of tricks.
Welcome. In the next hour, we're going to dive deep into a topic most people are afraid to discuss. Stick around, because this changes everything.
A race against time in the rainforest. The female cuckoo must be swift and silent.
Tenderly, the warbler incubates the eggs, unaware of the impending deception soon to be revealed.
A ruthless maneuver. The cuckoo deposits its egg, then immediately removes the competition.
The incredible mimicry of the cuckoo egg ensures its survival. The robin, complete.
The relentless demands of the pallid cuckoo chick push its foster parents to the brink of exhaustion, highlighting nature's cruelest trick.
A stunning evolutionary marvel, where a harmless butterfly wears the eyes of a formidable predator.
Hidden in plain sight, the owl butterfly relies on stillness for survival.
A stunning display of mimicry, enough to send the much larger sparrow fleeing in terror.
In the rainforest, danger can appear in an instant. What seems like a harmless butterfly can mimic the stare of a giant predator.
It may look like a simple butterfly, but its defense mechanisms are so advanced, they are often compared to military-grade weapons.
The rhyme is simple. If red touches yellow, it's a dangerous fellow. If red touches black, you have nothing to dread.
One of these is among the most venomous snakes on Earth. The other is a fraud, a harmless imposter using brilliant camouflage.
The vibrant patterns of the milk snake mimic more dangerous species, allowing it to slither peacefully through the forest.
With such similar patterns, predators often can't distinguish the dangerous from the harmless. Therefore, it's better to
Trong thế giới tự nhiên, sự sống còn phụ thuộc vào một nghệ thuật cổ xưa, khả năng hòa nhập hoặc giả dạng.
The European flounder possesses a remarkable ability, shifting its patterns in an instant to disappear into the seabed.
Watch closely as the summer flounder disappears before your eyes, instantly adapting to its surroundings. This is the fastest camouflage in the animal kingdom.
The starry flounder possesses an astonishing ability, instantly replicating the seabed's texture. From time
This remarkable split screen highlights one of nature's most flawless deceptions. The summer flounder can instantaneously match the precise texture of its environment.
This incredible transformation is thanks to chromatophores. Watch as these specialized cells expand.
Witness the electron-shocking speed of the wilder.
Lily. The flounder's camouflage extends beyond the visible spectrum. As we see here, its thermal signature is through stunning adaptation. The summer flounder eliminates its shadow, achieving perfect invisibility on the ocean floor.
This is the paradox of the flounder. One moment it's there, the next it vanishes completely into the tapestry of the ocean floor.
The honey badger, facing certain death, employs its most desperate tactic, playing dead.
That triumphant look says it all. This master escape artist knows exactly how to make an exit.
In the relentless game of survival, appearance is everything. From masterful disguise to outright fraud.
On one side, raw power, sheer dominance. On the other, the subtle art of deception.
Bathed in this golden light, the magic of evolution unfolds in breathtaking grandeur. We measure strength and speed, but the scales always tip in favor of intelligence and adaptability.
A symbol of successful propagation, the next generation thrives under the watchful eye of the parent.
Have you ever wondered what it really takes to navigate the complexities of the modern world? Well, you've come to the right place.
Cảm ơn các bạn đã theo dõi. Đừng ngần ngại để lại ý kiến của mình tại phần bình luận bên dưới nhé.
Make sure to like, share, and subscribe!
And don't forget to hit that notification bell.